Hello everyone, it's Justine. Today I'm going to open up day 20 for my Crafty Advent Calendar. So let's just see what's inside. I'm just going to turn it so I can get at it a little bit better on camera. Ooh, stencils today. Let's see. Definitely am going to have to mute that thanks to the glue dots. All right, let's see what's inside the stencil pack. So the stencils are called STN-037 W20, sorry. Numbers. Oh, these are layering. Okay, neat. So as you can see, we have 3 different layers. So I'm not sure which one to do first. Maybe the sticks, that would make sense. So if I were to do this just off the top of my hand, I would do the sticks and like twig part, then add the leaves, layer that on, put some ink down, and then put the berries on like that. Oh, that would be very pretty. I wonder if I were to do this right now, if I just whipped out some of my ink, I would put one going this way and then I would flip it and have another going this way, so it would be kind of like a mirrored reflection, a little bit of symmetry there. But these are really cool. I don't have a lot of layering stencils, so this would be kind of a fun little thing to add to my collection. Wonderful. Okay, also I would maybe pair this with some of the stamped sentiments or even the die sentiments, like happy birthday from day number 4. Wow, that was a long time ago. Day number 4, or there was a congratulations. Was that yesterday? Yeah, last time. We have congratulations, so that could go with this inked area. That would be kind of cool. Anyway, 4 days left, 5 days till Christmas. So let's see what's in day number 21 tomorrow. Come on back. Thanks for watching. Bye.